Hello, my name is Penny and I'm the owner of 1 Cent Crochet. Welcome back to my channel where I make crochet tutorials and vlogs. I have had a bit of a crazy week and I have discovered that I possibly have a crochet injury, which just feels extremely worrying to me because I have a literal business about crocheting. Not to mention, I have a market in less than 5 days. So I'm doing my first ever market and it's at an aged care home. It's just so the residents there can buy presents for their loved ones. And I can't crochet right now. Obviously, you guys might have noticed that I haven't posted any crochet tutorials in the last 2 weeks. I'm hoping, because I'm going to a physio on Monday, that hopefully things should start to speed up soon. But anyway, I'll talk to you more about that in a moment, but what I want to start off with is showing you my setup for the market. So it's a bit messy right now, obviously, but I bought these little stands, which I thought were super cute, as well as these wooden crates. So we've got the dogs on top of that one, and another wooden crate over here. But the biggest problem is that I wanted to make so many more smaller items to sell at this market because I have heard it said so many times that you need to make smaller items if you want to sell at a market. And I was planning on doing that this week, last week, the week before, and then I've gotten this injury all of a sudden, or a recurring pain. When I was filming this, I forgot to mention, stay tuned for the massive yarn haul because it is coming later in the video. I have so much yarn that has arrived because I'm making the switch from Premier Parfait Chunky yarn to a different type of yarn. I will show you later in the video, so definitely stay tuned for that because it is the biggest yarn haul that I have ever had in my entire life. This is like more yarn than I've ever had combined. Stay tuned for that. I also got these price tags that I can stick onto the animals. I think that these will go well. I'm just going to write in Sharpie what the prices are. And I have a lot of plushies, to be honest, that I kind of just want to be rid of. I know a lot of you guys don't like purchasing plushies because you guys like making them, but my other problem is that I live in Australia and people in America won't buy plushies from Australia because the shipping is too expensive. So it means that my plushies rarely get sold. So these guys need a home. Another thing that I've been working on, because I've been a little bit sick this week, you can probably tell by my voice, is I've been working on rebuilding my website, making it look really nice and matching my theme a lot better. When I first started my business, I didn't have a website because I just sold my products on Etsy, but obviously Etsy fees are kind of insane. So I thought that it was important within the last few months to really rebuild my website and relink it in all the descriptions of my videos. I think that customizing my website to match my business's theme has definitely added another level of professionalism to my work. And I think that if you're a business owner, then having a website to showcase your portfolio or sell your products is really important. A few years ago, building a website could feel super daunting, but these days there are so many platforms out there that allow you to build a website in just a few minutes. Personally, I really like Hostinger. They are super affordable and they have a vast range of AI tools that really let you take your business to the next level. For us small business owners, or if you just want to monetize your hobby, they have all the tools you could think of without breaking the bank. I'll walk you through how to build a website quickly. So first you want to head to hostinger.com/crochet. I would suggest going for the business plan as it includes e-commerce tools with 0% transaction fees, which means everything goes straight to your pocket. Other website building platforms take a huge chunk out of your sales, so I think that's a really big plus. So you want to select the business plan and then choose the length of your plan. As you can see, they're currently having a Black Friday sale, which means you can get the 48-month plan for just $2.95 a month. Plus you get a free domain with that. Also, if you use the code crochet, then you'll get 10% off your new plan. Now, after you've purchased, you can select create a website with the AI builder, and you only need to write a simple description of your business and optionally add your own color palette. And it'll build the entire website for you. Then you can further customize your website by adding your own pictures or changing the layout if you like. It can even design a logo for you with its instant AI, which I thought was pretty cool. Overall, if you're debating if you want to make a website for your business or not, I would say absolutely go for it because it's definitely been beneficial to my business and I want you guys to have that opportunity too. So I've definitely sorted out a couple of things for my business this week while I've been sick and while I can't crochet, which is entirely problematic, as we have discussed. I think that my first market is just going to be a really fun experience. Even though I'm obviously stressed about it because I don't have enough small items. But I mean, look at these loaf cats. They're so cute. I wish that I could have made more. And these bees, oh my goodness. You might even be able to spot something on this table that I haven't made a tutorial for yet that I'm going to soon. Okay, I know you guys have all been waiting for it. So it is time to do the massive yarn haul. You can probably see the bookshelf over there, which is completely empty. I've purchased it purely for this yarn haul. This is actually insanity. This isn't even all of it. I had to take it out of the box already because it was just so overwhelming and I needed everything out of the plastic bags so that I could show it to you guys easily. So you can probably see that there's still some yarn behind me. That is some thinner yarn that I also got in this haul, which I will be showing you. But honestly, I think that we should just get straight into it. So all of this yarn, this entire box, which can't even fit on the camera, it goes all the way like down here, is from Yarn A Lot. So I've made the switch out of Premier Parfait Chunky Yarn. I am switching to this brand, Yarn Art, and then I'm going to butcher the second Dolce? I don't know. But the Yarn Art yarn, it is gorgeous and it doesn't shed. I don't know what miracle on earth this is, but it does not shed, guys. So thank you so much, Yarn A Lot, for saving my life, basically, because I was so done. You guys are watching my tutorials probably, and every tutorial I'm like, so guys, just gonna cut this off because it's actually falling off everywhere. We're gonna start with all of the Yarn Art yarn. But if you guys want to try out this yarn, it's just from Yarn A Lot. I would highly recommend because I've tested out like a couple of skeins and oh my goodness. Okay, so white skeins of yarn. 1, 2, 3. And we're not going to count like that. I'm just going to take it all off and then I'm going to tell you how many there was. 25 skeins of white yarn. You guys know my problem with white yarn. It is that it is never in stock if you live in Australia. And the shipping prices are usually insane. But all of this white yarn was very much in stock and shipping prices were all good. So any Australians out there who are struggling with shipping prices would highly recommend. Okay, we got 2 dark brown, color 775. We're gonna go relatively quick. 1 black, 2 slightly lighter brown, 2 of this like pumpkin color because I never get like a nice orange like this. This is so nice. I love this color. I got 3 of this yellow. Sorry, I already opened 2 of them because I was testing out the shedding, but anyway. It's quite fluoro. I like it. I don't know what to call this color. It's like a dark caramel. It's like a reddy brown. I got 3 of those. 3, because it's just, Premier doesn't have this color range, and this is just gorgeous. Red yarn, just 1. I don't use red yarn very often. I'm starting to think I should have got more red yarn. It's literally Christmas time. Then again, can't crochet right now, so. Okay, I got this cream color. It's a little bit greeny. It's just different to like the creams that I've usually seen, but I think it's also just the lighting from my windows, so I take it back. But anyway, I got 4 of these. Okay, so we're moving on to the greens and blues. We're kind of doing this by like rainbow order, as I'm sure you can probably tell. This light blue color is gorgeous. I love it. I'm very impressed. So I got 4 of those. I never have any dark greens, so I got quite a few in case I wanted to make a lot of Christmas trees. It's a very nice dark green. So at this point, I got a few Himalaya Dolphin Baby yarns. Himalaya Dolphin Baby yarn is quite nice. Again, very similar, pretty much the same to the Yarn Art yarn and very similar to Premier. It's a little bit more velvety, I would say. But yeah, good colors. So then I got 3 of the Yarn Art Dolce ones. And it's not as like saturated as the Himalaya ones, so I quite like that. Oh, I love this pastel green so much. So I got 4 of those. This is what we have left right now. Got 3 layers left in this box. We're moving on to like the blues, like the proper blues and the purples. I love this color. I know I'm saying that about everything, but I often ran out of this color because none of it was in stock when I tried to get it. I got 4 of those. Nope. Wrong. I got 5. Nice blue yarn, Himalaya Dolphin Baby. It's a nice color. I'm not sure what I'll use it for. I noticed that like the Himalaya Dolphin Baby yarn is like a lot more saturated than the Yarn Art yarn. And I'm not sure, like I prefer like the slightly less saturated as it's less overwhelming. But honestly, anything is good. I just realized I'm midway through this haul and I need to note something, okay? I am constantly running out of yarn. Like, I'm sure many of the Australians watching this know my problem. It is never in stock anywhere. I got all of this yarn for a reason, because I have to not make specific tutorials because I never have the right color. And it drives me absolutely mental. And then when I go and try to purchase it on the Australian websites, it's just never available anywhere. And it's really disappointing. This website had everything in stock. It's really good, because hopefully I'm never going to have the problem of running out of the right color ever again as soon as I can crochet again. I really like this color. It's Himalaya Dolphin Baby, not as saturated, which is actually kind of why I like it. It's this nice, like, deep purpley pink. I also got these two purples. I'm not sure what I'll use it for, but they're quite nice. I also got these slightly lighter pinky purples. Oh, I just realized I also had these blues. These are dark blue. I don't use dark blue very often, but I figured it would come in handy. I can make some more sea creatures for you guys. Okay, so I love my pinks. Pink, pink, pink. It's just a nice color. I use this color for my cows, so I needed more. I think I mistakenly got like 8 of these. Ready? This color. It's gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. I need to make more pink things. That's all of them. So I got Elise yarn because I haven't tried it before. I've never used like a jumbo yarn, and I thought that was extremely disappointing on my behalf. So I thought I'd get on that. So this is Elise Veluto yarn. Again, sorry if I'm butchering that. It's slightly, like, I think it's a weight 7 yarn. So I decided I wanted to get quite a few colors because things work up quicker if you have bigger yarn. Like, as in, you can make the pattern have less stitches to become the same size. So I figured I got like a couple of whites. Okay, I lied. I actually got a lot of white. I got this light pink as well. I got 4 of those. So this is still in the bigger yarn. And a light green. I really like that color. I got this nice aqua. It's like a turquoise. Turquoise aqua. And then I'm not going to show you all of this because it's just lying on the floor. Elise Superlana Maxi. So I got this in 3 different colors. I got a lot in the teal because I want to make a blanket as soon as I can crochet again. And I'm really excited, and I'm probably going to turn it into a challenge. That might be an awful idea now that I'm possibly injured. I got a lot of these because I'm like, you know what? I've never made a blanket before. I might as well give it a go. Okay, I'm going to give you guys a view of what's in front of me. This is the yarn pile that is in front of me. This is going to take a lot of sorting out. I don't think that it's all going to fit on my bookshelf, but we might as well give it a go and try organizing it on my bookshelf. Also, if you guys would like a little yarn giveaway or something over on my Instagram, then do comment on this video, because I think that could potentially be a good idea. But yeah, let's get to organizing. This is what the floor currently looks like. And this is the bookshelf that we're going to be transferring the yarn to. Look, I like the top bit, and then it gets to there, and then I ruined it. I don't know what happened to my color organization, but that needs to be redone. Okay, so I managed to get most of the yarn on the shelf. The thinner yarn that I want to use to make a blanket is still in the box. Like, I've just put it all back in the box. And I'm going to store that away for now until I want to make the blanket, which I thought was a smart decision instead of having it all like up on a bookshelf. But here is the final result. I think I did a pretty good job. I'm not actually very good at organizing by color. And also I had like a lot of like uneven amount of colors. So I felt like with what I had, I did pretty good. But overall, I'm so stoked with this yarn haul. So thank you so much to Yarn A Lot. But I'll keep you guys updated about the crochet injury as well. I'll probably post a vlog soon about how my market prep goes, or I'll probably post a reel on Instagram. Really hoping that I'm not properly injured. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!